What's up guys, Justin here with the CGEssentials.com. I wanted to make sure you knew about a Blender market event that's going on and you can get free add-ons as a part of this event. Let's go ahead and just jump into it. So as most of you know, the Blender market is probably the premier place to go to get different Blender add-ons, especially the premium ones, so the ones that have a ton of features built into them, things like that. Also, a lot of them are paid add-ons. Obviously, we've talked a bunch about add-ons in the market on the channel, but right now, the Blender market is going through their 10th birthday celebration, and as a part of their 10th birthday celebration, they're going to be giving away a number of different add-ons. And so what you can do is you can visit the Blender market, and I'll link to it in the notes down below, but you can visit the Blender market, and at the top of the page there's an option for check out the free gifts. And so what that means is for the next, I guess, 9 days now, because I missed this on the first day, but for the next 9 days you're going to be able to download free add-ons. So you can see how if we scroll down, the first free add-on that they gave away was the Retopo Flow for alpha. So it was the alpha version of the new version of Retopo Flow. So that one is now gone. You can see how it's no longer available for download. So you're going to want to make sure that you're keeping up with this page for the next 10 days to make sure you don't miss any of these. Now, the next one is a version of the Population Crowd Simulation add-on. And so we've talked about population a little bit before. Note that the gift version of this is going to be the smaller version of this. It's going to come with a couple of the different population characters, but it's not going to come with all of them. I would imagine you're probably going to see something similar for the rest of this, but I think it still did have a cost associated with it before, and it is now a free add-on now. So we'll just kind of have to see what's available over the next 10 days or so. But you can download this and you can use this in order to do population simulation within Blender. And I've done a video on this before. I will link to it in the notes down below. It's going to kind of walk you through how to use population, but you can download that one for free. Notice how there's a clue for tomorrow's upcoming gift, but there's going to be a new add-on every day. So in addition, I do want to note there's a couple add-on developers that are doing some sales as well. So for example, Casey Sheep, who has a ton of different add-ons like Flora Paint, Real Cloud, Geosign, we've talked about on the channel before, I think, but all of his add-ons are going to be 35% off as a part of this sale. So you can definitely check those out. So Real Cloud, for example, this is his cloud asset collection. You can get it for 35% off of this list price by typing in the BM10 code at checkout. So I wouldn't be surprised if you don't start seeing more of these as a part of this sale. So you're really going to want to keep an eye on that. If I see anything else go on sale, I'll try to make a note of it. But in addition, you've got like Trace Genius Pro is 25% off. And I think that may more have to do with their new version that came out with some new features than the Blender Market birthday itself. But you can also get that for 25% off of its regular list price as well. So we'll keep an eye on that, but at a minimum, you're going to want to follow this birthday page to see what's free over the course of the week. So I'll link to the Blender Market birthday page on this page so that you can follow along, but it's definitely worth checking out just to see what they're going to be adding in the future. As always, thank you so much for taking the time to watch this, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks, guys.